Hey everybody and welcome back. So today we have a couple of fixes for if you're facing Spacedesk display which is off. So basically we have a couple of solutions. First of all, you can open Windows display setting on your PC and then find a secondary displays, and that in many cases is going to be simply enabling your display. Then you have the extend these display option or duplicate these displays in the drop down menu. So make sure you try that out. And the other are maybe installing your drivers for your graphics card. So if you have any NVIDIA Shadow Play, you can simply block these display. These are causing the blockage. You can turn off these overlays in the GeForce experience and try running. So a couple of more solutions that you can apply are being displayed in here as well. So make sure to try these out, and I'm most probably sure that it is going to be working out. So I hope this fixes Spacedesk display off, and see you guys around in the next one.